Hello everyone, it's me Naomi and I'm back live and colored. Yes, I am. If you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. And if you've been here already, hello, welcome back. Glad to see you back. Today I'll be sharing a hair review on this hair right here. But before we get right into it, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload from me. So this hair right here is the Afri Natural Ivy 3x Senegal twist, and it's in the length 20 inches. This is how the package looks like. And the pattern of it is just twisted all the way down, then about 1/4 down it's unraveled into two pieces. So it gives an illusion of like one strand all at the bottom for each strand here. You don't really see that as two pieces for most parts, but of course I've been playing with it a little bit. So yeah, and it's 20 inches, so for me the front goes up to down here, and for the back it goes almost touching my bottom. Wow. It is pretty long, but it's nice for the cold weathers out here that we're going through right now, so it works out for me. I really love it. For the braiding pattern, my hairstylist did 11 cornrows in the front to halfway back. Then from the mid back to the end, she did like a zigzag pattern. So just if you need to know how that works. And then for each part, this is how it looks. So you can universally part it wherever you please. But for me, I like to keep it on this side, so that's what we're gonna rock with. I really like this hair. It doesn't twist, it doesn't get tangled, it hasn't gotten matted, and the twists are pretty neat. So it looks like single braids. You can't even tell that it's crocheted, so which is really awesome. I've always wanted this style from when I was little, but I just never got it done. So when I seen it, I was like, I have to get this style. It's so cute, and I really do love it. I bought 4 packs of these, 3 in color 1B and 1 in color 1B/350, and I used all 4 packs, and the remainder of the last one is left with 30 strands, and there were 45 strands in each pack, so that was really awesome. A little went a long way for me, so I like that. But I just wanted to hop on here, show you guys this hair in case you're interested, and just show my face one time because it's been a while. I've just been doing voiceovers upon voiceovers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, let me know if you want to see how I style this hair, and if you have any other questions, comment down below, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take care. Bye.